Step into the world of clutter-free transformations with English Rentals, your premier destination for hassle-free roll-off dumpster rental in Wichita, Kansas. At English Rentals, we redefine the art of decluttering, offering top-notch services that seamlessly blend efficiency and affordability. Whether tackling a home renovation project, clearing out the garage, or managing a large-scale construction endeavor, our dumpsters stand ready to be the unsung heroes of your cleanup journey. Dial 316-217-1625 to unlock the gateway to a clutter-free paradise, where our dedicated team at English Rentals is eager to help you find the perfect dumpster solution tailored to your needs. Our commitment goes beyond mere rentals. We are your partners in streamlining the debris removal process, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Our user-friendly website, www.english-rentals.com, is your virtual concierge, providing a seamless platform to explore our range of dumpsters, check availability, and secure your rental with just a few clicks. English Rentals stands at the forefront of Wichita's dumpster rental scene, embracing a customer-centric approach that sets us apart. As your trusted ally in cleanliness, we invite you to experience the difference with English Rentals, where efficiency meets excellence and clutter bows down to convenience. Roll-off dumpster rental in Wichita, Kansas has never been this effortless. Embark on your clutter-free journey with English Rentals today.